What's up, guys? Welcome back to the DMV channel. I am Jeff Dixon. Isaiah's got the camera, and today we are building some bash bars for our LS NA Miata. Let's get to work. Alright, we started rolling out our 1.5 inch and it's turned out pretty good, getting a nice arc on it. But we already stripped out our freaking YouTube bender. I don't know, everybody in the reviews said they strip out, so we're just gonna drill through it and put some pins in it. What happened is they gave us these little bitty crappy set screws, and you could tell when we started that the tap was terrible. They were loose and wobbly. I already had the steering wheel on before we even got started because you couldn't get it tight. So I need to catch my breath, but it is fitting the bumper perfectly. So, at least I think it is. Yeah, that's it. That's our bash bar for the top and bottom. The problem, we have a 2-inch bender with an 1.5 inch pipe. So before we put our large radius piece in, we're gonna try to bend this and see what happens. Well, it's now 2 inches this way. Man, why is everything so hard? So I got an idea. So if we take this pipe and we cut it this way along here and then put it in our die, that should keep that metal from distorting because that metal fits in here really snug. So we're gonna try that and see if we can get that, you know, compound radius portion. It looks fantastic! Guess what? Now we have an 1.5 inch mandrel for our, you know, thing. Oh yes! We just need a little more bend. I'm pretty excited. We wanted to cheat and do like 3 pieces, but it just worked out. And so the bash bar is kind of, the tubing is kind of relaxed and flat instead of, look at these hands. Instead of being real arched, it's flattened back out. So what we're gonna try to do is roll this thing back out a little more. Quit! And bring the arch a little tighter, which should bring these ends in a little bit. And I don't know, it might be perfect. Can we make a second one? I really doubt it. I doubt we can. Oh man, it's perfect. Honestly, I didn't think we could do it, but it's one piece, no cheating. Woo, multiple compound bends. Fits perfect. Hands are black. Now we gotta make another one. I think we better do a time lapse. It is 5 days later. I still needed to record an outro, so I snuck back in the garage to do it, but I wanted to show you guys this. So the bash bars are done. They turned out great, and look at this. It settled down a little bit. These were exactly flat with each other, and you can see there it settled down just a little bit. And then look at the difference here. I don't know how well that shows up on camera, but we've moved probably 3/8 of an inch on that backside. And I think that's some of the problems we ran into with the roll cage, is that it seems like, I don't know, I'm no freaking pipe expert, but it seems like the tubing, the pipe kind of relaxes and moves after it's been bent. And that is definitely what happened here again with these. So we're going to get them cleaned up, bent back in, and then next weekend we're going to weld them up and get them put on the front of the car. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you then.